Hello, viewers. For the first time ever, Assam is hosting the National Digital Innovation Residential Summit 2025 here in Guwahati. The event is organized by ELITS Technomedia in collaboration with the IT Department of Government of Assam. The two-day summit opened on December 5th with multiple sessions and over 50 speakers from across India. Participants include startups, entrepreneurs, smart city officials, investors, skilling institutions, PSUs, and international organizations.
Through this event, what we wanted to achieve, in fact, our partnership was to invite leading industries, leading IT players to invest in the state of Assam. Assam is like growing very, very rapidly. Assam definitely is ready to be one of the leading states in the IT adoption.
The sessions touch on key themes such as AI for inclusive growth, cloud and data, cybersecurity, and other emerging technologies. The event was graced by senior officials from the government of Assam. We also spoke to Ashwini Kumar, Additional Secretary, IT and Director, Directorate of IT, Electronics and Communication, Government of Assam.
We want that all the youth of Assam should imbibe into a good culture where they can use adopt new technologies and they can make it their way of life. And right now we have a lot of engineering colleges, a lot of tech education, but we need to increase the use of AI in all these spheres, be it a farmer, be it a job seeker, be a businessman or a housewife. Everybody should use AI as much as they can. The most important thing these summits do is they bring all the stakeholders and people get to know who are the actual people doing the work behind the scenes, and they also get motivated. They always take away certain things which they can implement in their life.
I see great potential of AI because I interact with it on a daily basis, and I want that kind of power available with the government so that we're able to help the citizens far better.
The summit comes at a time when the state is trying to step up its electronic efforts. That's all from the National Digital Innovation Residential Summit 2025. This is Bipasha along with Roshan signing off. Keep following G Plus for more updates from Guwahati.